Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. It's a Saturday morning in Tamale and I'm just here to walk you through how I prep my meals for the week as a Ghanaian nurse. So I begin by washing my beans first. I'll wash it twice before putting it on the fire. You are most welcome to this channel. Please, if you haven't subscribed, try to subscribe and also hit on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And to my fans, to my subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch videos on this channel. So now, after adding the water to the beans, I'll be adding my kanwa or potash, or you can use baking soda for this. This will speed up the cooking process. So now I have another saucepan that I'm going to add some water and make some peanut butter soup. If you want peanut butter recipe, please check on this channel. I have a video on how to make peanut butter. So now the water is boiling. I'll scoop some of my homemade peanut butter into the boiling water and then I'll stir it till it becomes smooth. As a nurse, I don't have the time to always do a lot of things. I used not to like prepping meals. I want everything to be fresh, but there are days that you are exhausted and at least you would have wished something was there so that you can just grab it and make good use of it. So when you prep your meals and store it appropriately, so I had to move away from where I was due to the scorching sun. So now the peanut butter is cooking very well. You can see I'm just trying to prevent it from spilling. That is why I keep on stirring it this way. That is the method to prevent your soup from spilling over. So I didn't add any other ingredient to the peanut butter soup because I have a reason for that which I will be sharing later. So these are some ingredients that I'm going to be blending. I'll cut them all up. So I made the peanut butter soup very plain, no Maggi, no salt, no tomatoes or any other thing. I'm just doing this to prevent it from spoiling, because when it spoils, meaning all your ingredients are wasted. So now I have my corn dough and cassava dough, and I've just added some salt and water. I'm mixing it so that I'll place it on fire to make my banku. So I'll keep on stirring. So my bean stew is cooking well, and you can see I have just finished cutting my ingredients and I'm just going to send it inside and blend it. So anytime I want to use my peanut butter soup, I will add this blended ingredients and some few other ingredients. So I'm done blending. My bean stew is done, so I've placed the blended ingredients on fire so that it will boil. So now I'll take off the beans from the pot to another saucepan so that it will cool down before I store it. But before I store it, I'll have to add some vegetable oil and I'll stir it. This will prevent it from getting spoiled for the few days that is going to be in the fridge. Usually when you prepare the beans and keep it in the fridge, sometimes the taste changes. So I'm just doing this just to prevent microorganisms from growing on it. So I have my fish that I just washed and I'm cutting them. I'll just wash it again after the cutting with some salt water, and then I'll do my frying. So if you are able to prep all this, at least it will help you for some few days so that anytime you close from work and come back, you don't have to be running all over to start with the preparation of your food. So you can see my banku too is almost getting done. So at this point, I'll cover it and allow the steam to do the cooking for me. So with the fish, I'll dip it in cassava flour, then I'll drop it in the oil. I don't want it to stick, that is why I did that. You can see it doesn't stick to the bottom of the saucepan. So I have fried the first batch and I'll repeat for the rest. So I'm just removing the second batch that I just fried, and I'll use the same oil to make my small stew for my kids. Every morning I have to just put some rice on fire, then I'll add the stew for them. So I've just added some chopped onions, my Maggi, and also my tomato paste. Now I'll just check on my banku to see how far it has cooked, and I'll package it and set it aside. But I'll be making one last thing, that is Ghana wachi, which is made of black-eyed beans and rice. So I have my beans washed with water and some sorghum leaves, and I've also added my potash, that is kanwa. Now I'll just place it on fire so that it will cook, and when the beans is cooked, I'll add some salt and add my washed rice, stir it and cover it for it to get cooked. So now you can see I have a whole lot of food that will help me throughout the week. So everything is ready, packaged, and I will be storing all this covered with their leaves in my refrigerator. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. See you next time. Bye.